Hello everybody, welcome to BossBoxBreaks, triple box break of 12-13 limited. That's your winners list. A one on site had 10 or more teams, crazy. Dice Foe had 5 or more, awesome. It ended May 24th, 2015, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's currently 11:43 p.m. here in Winnipeg. Ouch. First serial, ending in 002. So everything ships in these boxes. Good luck everybody. First hit going to Florida. A one on site. Base 220 out of 299. First hit. Nice. Jordan Eberle. Multi-deal prime. Auto. Banner seasons. What's the numbering on that one? It's going to be short. 13 out of 15. Just about his jersey number. That card going to Dice Foe is sick. Wow. Impressive. I got a Brian Campbell for the Florida Panthers. Another hit for Florida. And for Florida again. A one on site getting hits with Florida like crazy. Limited rookie redemption. I think that's the one with Huberdeau. For the New York Rangers, authentic jumbo material, 18 out of 99, Dan Girardi. Oh, that's a one on site. He had like 13 teams in this break. I don't know how that's crazy. Redemption, we'll do that at the end. Sidney Crosby, 41 out of 99. Duels limited. A one on site, of course. Telling you, look at that winners list again, quick. Phenom is Tyler Kuma. Pretty sure that's Minnesota. I will double check at the end just to be sure. Second box ending in 171. Good. That was a crazy Eberle. Oh, another duels in there somewhere. So I'll have to hold it like this. Pittsburgh, Evgeny Malkin, going to a one on site base. For St. Louis, David Perron, 270 out of 299 for Vitamin D. Welcome to BossBoxBreaks. That's a base. Nice card for the Anaheim Ducks. A one on site. And that's a Jean-Sebastian Giguère Trophy Winners Auto. That'll be 23 out of 99. There you go. Nice. Do we have a, holy crap, do we have a sick hit coming up. 9 out of 99 for the Detroit Red Wings. And Rocky, Nicholas Cronwall. And this hit right here just made my day for whoever has Colorado. Oh.
Oh, Montreal.
And if you look on it, he's wearing the Montreal there too. So they give him the Colorado patch, but it does go to Montreal as per listing. So a 1 on site, and that is 2 out of 15. That's crazy. That's a silver. Wow. That is a nuts card. Los Angeles, Stace Foe, Jonathan Quick, trophy winners, number to 199. That's number 30 or 82, sorry. And for St. Louis, Jake Allen, 67 out of 99 duels for vitamin D. So 2 crazy autos so far, ending in 517. First card going to Washington, Nicholas Backstrom. And that's a base, 209 or 203 out of 299. And an Adam Graves Stanley Cup winners autograph for New York. And a 1 on site, 75 out of 199.
99.
Out of 99, sorry. There you go. Very nice autos coming out of these 3 boxes. Limited captains of Sid the Kid, 48 out of 49. Nice short print, a 1 on site. Crease cleaners of Yaroslav Halak going to St. Louis Blues, 42 out of 99. Vitamin D. And a freshman jumbo of Jakob Silfverberg. That's actually a really nice hit. Good job. 44 out of 99. Nice rookie jersey autograph, short print card. Silfverberg. For Tampa Bay, Dan Boyle, Stanley Cup winners. Tampa Bay was Michael Stordo. That'll be numbered out of 199. That's number 58. And the last hit before we get into bonuses, Steven Stamkos for Tampa Bay. 17, 199, that's a board members. Pretty cool card. Wow. So I'm going to double check this card quickly here on the Google, just to make sure we're giving it to the right team and that our bonuses are done properly, because we have a no-hit bonus. And that will go to Minnesota. And Minnesota is a 1 on site. So that'll get marked down as a hit for you. Have Phenoms there. We're going to do our bonuses. And there are so many nice cards to put here quick though. I couldn't even get to the lot of them. So we have 2 bonuses to give away. Top, bottom. We're going to decide that with the dice. First bonus is going to go to team 15. Had a hit. So it'll go all the way up this line of hits here, which is awesome. Up to dice foe. So you'll get bonus 1. You didn't have a hit with that team. Bonus 2 is for anybody. Crazy roll. And that goes to Rocky and Detroit. So that's bonus 2. Here we go. Dice foe, what are you going to get? That's a 6. That's the first little area. That's a jersey card. Winter Warriors of Gregory Campbell. So there you go. That'll go to Dice foe. And for Rocky, under the second set of cards, 22. So you will get the insert pack. There's an MVP Gold Scripts, Mike Green, an Upper Deck Canvas, Antti Niemi, and a Gifted Grinders for Don't Stop Believing. I had to do it. Alright, so we'd like to thank everybody coming out to Boss Box Breaks. Those are some crazy awesome hits there. There's some more in the pile that I've got, but those are nuts. That's an awesome break. Thanks for coming out. We got more to come. Just check this out on eBay and YouTube.